Ecobead Platinum Cavity Wall Insulation, manufactured from expanded polystyrene (EPS), is a sustainable, environmentally friendly material. Ecobead Platinum is the best-in-class insulation material, reaching areas of the cavity that other materials may struggle to fill. Ecobead Platinum insulation is easy and quick to install in new build cavity walls during construction or into existing properties. It gives superior thermal insulation and the reassurance of long-term performance without the problem of settlement encountered with other materials. By choosing Ecobead Platinum, you will not only benefit from a fast, expert installation, but you will also get the backing of approved certification, including assurance that all Ecobead installers are approved under our certificate. During installation, specialist equipment used by our approved installers is completely self-contained and can be used in most site conditions for a fast installation to fit your building schedule. Ecobead Platinum insulation requires fewer drill holes to the wall of the property compared to other blown insulation material. The holes are made directly into the cavity from the internal wall for new build before the walls are finished and plastered, or the outside wall for existing properties, which are then made good. The unique nature of the fast-flowing bead means they fill the smallest spaces, ensuring all possible areas are filled. Installation takes place without interfering with other trades working on the build, and there is no waste, as is found with other built-in insulation systems, reducing on-site waste and associated costs. After each cavity is filled with the beads and a water-resistant adhesive, the beads settle immediately and become bonded together to form a bonded mass of insulation which allows the cavity to breathe. Ecobead Platinum bead provides reassurance against the risk of damp because it does not absorb moisture, unlike fibrous materials found in other products. Blown beads in a cavity will not allow water to accumulate in patches. The millions of tiny beads allow the safe and effective dispersal of any moisture. Their curved shape forms channels which allows water to drain freely and rapidly to the ground. Gravity immediately pulls the water downwards, and the smooth curved surfaces of the beads allow fast flow to ground level. The speed of the downward flow, combined with a lack of absorption of EPS bead, prevents the water crossing the cavity laterally, where it would eventually create damp problems on the inside walls of rooms. With no lateral creep of moisture, there is no risk of internal damp. The measure of water which flows through Ecobead Platinum is virtually identical to the amount of water first introduced. Whatever your priority, ease and speed of installation, total coverage or outstanding thermal qualities, Ecobead Platinum is the first choice when it comes to cavity wall insulation. It is easy, quick, safe and superior, and what's more, it will enhance your reputation for quality, sustainable construction without compromise. For technical information about Ecobead Platinum, visit our website at ecobead.co.uk.